Hello and namaste. This is me, Dinesh Bishwakarma. I'm a Geomatics Engineering student and I study on Institute of Engineering, Paschimanchal Campus, Lamazar, Pokhara. So I'm going to teach you an introduction to Google Earth Engine. You can see my email address as well as the website. You can contact me through my email address if you have got any sorts of problem. So let's start to our first slide. Okay, what is a Google Earth Engine? We have to know about it. So Google Earth Engine is a planetary scale platform for Earth science data and analysis. So it is a planetary scale platform. It means that it covers the whole planet for the data science and analysis, and it is powered by Google's cloud infrastructure. It means that the processing is done on the Google's cloud infrastructure, so we don't need our system's CPU for processing, and it contains multi-petabyte catalog of satellite imagery and geospatial datasets. So it contains many catalog, multi-petabyte. This is so big in quantity. It contains satellite imageries and geospatial datasets, and it is used by scientists, researchers, and developers to detect changes, map trends, and quantify differences on Earth surfaces. You can see the three images. One is satellite imagery, second is algorithm, and third is real world application. It means that with the help of satellite imageries and our own algorithm, we can do the real world applications. So the features. The features of Google Earth Engine are global scale high. So it contains the whole datasets for the globe. Ready to use datasets. The datas on the Google Earth Engine are ready to use. They are already filtered and made some corrections, so they are already ready to use. We not need to make any sorts of filtration like this. And simple yet powerful API. It means it is very simple and it is very powerful. We can have the two kinds of API. One is JavaScript and one is for Python. They are simple and very useful and convenient tool. So it is very easy to use and scientific and humanitarian impact. Okay, you can see a saying of the Dr. Andrew Steele, who is president and CEO of World Research Institute. He has said, Google Earth Engine has made it possible for the first time in the history to rapidly and accurately process vast amount of satellite imagery, identifying where and when tree cover change has occurred at high resolution. Global forest was would not exist without it. For those who care about the future of the planet, Google Earth Engine is a great blessing. Okay, before we start, make sure you have signed up for Google Earth Engine. For this, go to signup.earthengine.google.com for signing up. It's very easy. And if you are using the email address of your institution or college, it will be better. It will be help us to sign up within the some minutes, or if you are using the other email address, it may take up to 24 hours for the approving. So I recommend you to use the college or institutional email address. And the next one is you have some basic knowledge of programming in JavaScript. Okay, this is going to be very easy. And the requirements are a laptop or a desktop computer with good internet connection is required. Okay, thank you.